All right, good morning, good morning, good morning. It's Salon Diva V in the place to be, my garden. So this morning, y'all, I am out checking on the garden. It's like 40 degrees outside right now. I checked on it the other day, and this was just frozen with ice. Now it has melted, um, but my tarp fell off of my strawberries. Well, blew off, I should say. So it's supposed to get down to 24 this coming Saturday. So we're gonna try to attempt to cover this stuff up again. Hope nothing underneath here. Tell you what, this water is heavy. I tell you what, a valuable lesson that I learned is to just get some simple rocks, some heavy rocks that I can put down on the tarp or the landscape pins that I can just pin it into the ground. But I think the best step for me is to get the rocks. That way I don't have to worry about pinning all of these tarps together and worrying about the wind blowing, because the wind ain't moving those rocks. And last week it was so cold out here, the water was frozen inside of the buckets. I couldn't move it anyway, and I wasn't coming out here in below temperatures to save no plants. Them plants was gonna have to get it how they lived in nature. I tried my best to cover them suckers up, but that wind is undefeated against that fence over there. It was getting underneath the bottom of that tarp and taking it away. My hands is cold. Get me some gloves. Quick reminder, y'all. Gardening is fun, but it can also be dangerous if you're not careful. Not wearing the right equipment, the garden can get you a little bit harder. Trying to fast.
Watch this. Let me
Slippery
wrap these things up.
no
and
gloves,
as I get
no
them wrapped
support.
up, she thinks
She's
she's doing
saying,
something.
okay, especially when it's cold and wet. That's a recipe for an accident. And y'all gonna see in a couple of seconds why I say that. And please don't do what I just did. Yep, she just fell. Standing on a pot, ninja rigging something, thinking it was stable, and I fell. It's cold, it's wet outside, and I fell. I didn't hurt myself too bad. I do have a bruise on my thigh, but it could have been way worse. Okay, so for I think I need one more of the clamps to put on that section right there. All right, so far that is this section and that section right there. That's the best I can do with what I have. Let me let y'all check out the other side of the garden. So onions are doing okay. Let me see. The greens are they looking great. Like, oh, I'm loving this weather. And the banana is but they say she will come back, so I ain't tripping. And everything else in the garden is, there's nothing else for me to be worried about. So yeah, let's go to the front part because the wind has definitely blown the stuff in the front yard. So let's go check that out. So the cover on the crepe myrtle is doing good. Now the cover on the canna, no. The wind keeps blowing this up. I didn't too much mess with this because there's a huge ant pile in here, and I did some research and the cannas will come back. Okay, and then the wind has blown the cover off of these. I forgot the name of these. But before I go, what I'm gonna do is plant these 2 potatoes. They already have, they already started going to seed. So what I'm gonna do is put one right here. What is that? Another potato. I'm gonna put the other one right here. This soil is so fluffy. I think this was that Pro Mix that I purchased from Walmart. Alright y'all, so that's gonna do it for this video. That is oh wow, that's a pecan. One of them squirrels probably done buried him in the yard and forgot about it. Oh well. It's mine now. I'm gonna see if I can grow this. Let's see. Alright y'all. So we're gonna get out of here. Thank y'all for watching. See you in the next video. Peace.